Namaste, Dr. Charu here. Thanks for watching YogaHeals. Hope you have subscribed to it. So today we will practice a simple flow for the arm strength. Building strength in the arms, shoulders, core and back. Also this is going to help strengthen your legs. This flow will involve 4 asanas. Downward dog, plank pose, chaturanga or the chaturanga dandasana which is the plank with the elbows bent, and up dog, which is similar to cobra but a little different in that the legs are not on the mat, only the toes are on the mat. This can be practiced if you do not have any spinal injuries or your blood pressure is normal. Make it a part of your exercise routine, whether you are a yoga practitioner or not. Even if you are a fitness geek and are more into the gym kind of fitness, this is good for you. So let's get started. We will start in the tabletop position. With the wrist under the shoulders and the knee under the hips. Check your alignment. Keep the front. Feet are on the mat. Now we will exhale and go into down dog. I'll take my palms forward because that's how I get to stretch my spine completely. But it is suit yourself because everybody's body structure is different. Now from here, we will stretch the spine, keep the abdominal chest lifted, feel the stretch in the spine. Now inhale and go for plank pose, bringing the shoulders above the wrist, looking the front. Plank pose, keep your navel pulled in towards your spine here, engaging your core. Now exhale and come for chaturanga dandasana by bending the elbows. There is a plank with elbows bent. And now inhale and come up in up dog by bringing your toes on the mat. Right? Up dog. Repeat. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And to release, down dog, and then drop the knees down. If you're tired, you can rest in child's pose for a while. Or you can just end your workout here. Feel free to ping me for any questions. Or if you would like to take classes with me at YogaHeals. Thank you so much.